Smartphone?
Yes, an iPhone.
Use internet often?
Yes, every day.
Like social media?
Yes, use Instagram.
Watch YouTube?
Yes, many videos.
Send emails?
Yes, for work.
Play games?
Sometimes on phone.
Have computer?
Yes, at home.
Use Wi-Fi?
Yes, at home.
Download apps?
Yes, useful ones.
Video calls?
Yes, with family.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Free on weekends?
Yes, usually free.
Morning person?
Yes, wake early.
Evening plans?
Watch TV. Relax.
Meet friends?
Yes, on weekends.
Visit parks?
Yes, for walking.
Coffee shops?
Yes, every morning.
Take photos?
Yes, love photography.
Travel often?
During holidays.
Weekend trips?
Sometimes, nearby places.
Many friends?
Yes, good friends.
Best friend?
Yes, from school.
Like parties?
Small parties, yes.
Meet new people?
Yes, at work.
Social events?
Sometimes go.
Group activities?
Yes, with friends.
Close to family?
Yes, very close.
Phone calls?
Daily with family.
Weekend plans?
Meet friends usually.
Dinner parties?
Once a month.
Like traveling?
Yes, love travel.
Where go often?
Beach places.
Travel alone?
With friends usually.
Stay in hotels?
Yes, nice ones.
Take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Long trips?
1 week usually.
By plane?
Yes, prefer flying.
Holiday plans?
Going to Spain.
Pack heavy?
No, pack light.
Travel budget?
Save for trips.
Live alone?
With family.
Big house?
Medium size.
Like cooking?
Yes, cook daily.
Clean often?
Yes, every day.
Have garden?
Small garden.
Quiet area?
Yes, very quiet.
Nice neighbors?
Yes, very friendly.
Watch TV?
In evenings.
Do laundry?
Every weekend.
Like your home?
Yes, very much.
Future goals?
Study abroad.
Career plans.
Want promotion.
Save money.
Yes, every month.
Study more.
Yes, evening classes.
Marriage plans.
Not yet.
Move house.
Maybe next year.
Change jobs.
Happy now.
Learn skills.
Yes, languages.
Buy car.
Saving for it.
Long term.
Own business.